Water is essential to human, plant, and animal survival. As our second primal need right after oxygen, water is one of the most precious resources on the planet. Groundwater is stored far below the Earth's surface, in soils and rocks that are able to hold the water in the openings and cracks, like a sponge. From huge cities to tiny villages, about 50% of the world's population depends on groundwater every day. While groundwater is the most abundant source of fresh water on Earth, it remains a hidden resource. We often know where to locate it, but what really keeps it hidden is the limited amount of data about its availability, current state, and use. In other words, we often have insufficient insight into the water below the ground. Let's look at an example. As our climate changes, droughts are happening more frequently. With a drought, there is less surface water, which leads communities to depend more and more on groundwater. But how can they know how to use it sustainably? Some communities may be polluting the groundwater reserves unknowingly through farming activities. A valuable resource could become seriously contaminated just because we can't see what effects our actions have below ground. This has consequences for everyone using the aquifer. Consider that every year, over 200 times more groundwater is extracted from the earth than oil. Since you can't manage what you don't measure, having reliable data is critical. Knowing what is going on below can even prevent conflicts in the long term. It's time to uncover the mysteries behind the great resource of groundwater. The key is informed action based on sound research. With proper groundwater management, we can make sure that our groundwater benefits many generations to come.